Hi guys, so today someone asked me this question that in your business you show us that every day people are seeing so much success and people are making this kind of money and they are retiring, quitting their jobs and buying houses and doing all of these wonderful things. Are there any people who fail in the business? What are the chances of the business? If I get started today, what are the chances that I will 100% succeed in the business? This was the question someone asked me today, and I did respond to them. But I feel that this is something that a lot of you might be thinking about, but haven't gotten the answer to that yet. So I'll just answer that over here. There can be no business which has 100% success rate. It is impossible for any kind of work to have 100% success rate. The reason being that the business which I'm also offering over here, you get so what you're getting is you're getting the affiliates, you're getting the training, mentorship, and all the technical support, everything you are getting. When I got started with the business, I got exactly the same package. I used the same exact system to build my business and have built it to multiple six figures today, and it's working great for me. And there are thousands and thousands of people for whom it is working great, but there are also people for whom it has not worked. And I want to point out to why that could have happened and how can you make sure that if you get started that doesn't happen with you. There can be a lot of reasons why that might happen. People get started with the business and then they just quit working on it. They just don't stop putting in the effort. So they were just excited for the initial phase of getting started, and once they got started, once the boring hard work, the actual work comes in, they're not willing to put in the effort. And there can be a lot of reasons for that also, and I'll point out those reasons. The first can be you come in with unrealistic expectations, which means that you suppose you have been following me for quite some time and you see the kind of results people are making, and you feel that if I get started I should also be making that. But you miss the important fact that all of those people, including me, who are seeing the results over here, who are making life changing money using this business system, it's not easy. It's You don't make money for not doing anything. There is work involved, there is skill involved, there's a learning curve which is involved, and you need to go through that. You should be willing to go through that, put in the effort to learn the skill, apply it, implement it, fail at it. You will be bad at it in the beginning, but if you give up, if you are not willing to do that, you're not working on it and you're just giving up. So that is one of the reasons why people fail. Secondly, the category of people which I would say do not succeed in the business are the people who have not a very good mindset. And I'll just elaborate on it. Some people might have a very job kind of mentality, which would mean that maybe you have never done a business in your life. This is the first business of any kind that you are trying, and you look at this business also like your job, which means that you feel that if I put in these many hours, what is the outcome which I'm going to get? So you have, for 2 weeks you work on it and you put in these many hours, and in 2 weeks you haven't seen any return on that. You get disappointed. There is no instant gratification. For the amount of effort that you put in, you did not get the money in return for that, and you lose motivation, you lose interest. So money was your motivation to do it, and it's not a bad motivation to have. Everyone has some sort of reason for which they do something, and money can be one of the reasons why you are working on it, but that should not be your what do you say, end goal or something. If you are working on something, there should be a bigger reason why you're doing it. Otherwise, when things get difficult, when things get challenging, money is not going to push you to persevere and overcome those challenges. It has to be a stronger reason. Like for me, I obviously wanted to make money, but why did I want to make money? I wanted to make money so that I don't need to ever go back to a 9 to 5 job, because if I went back to a 9 to 5 job, that would mean that I would again have to put my son to the daycare and let him spend 9-10 hours over there and get home to a cranky child, cranky mother who has no patience, no energy to take care of, this, no patience to take care of this child. I was dreading going through all of this again, and for that I had to make this business work. If I had failed at the business, if I had allowed myself to fail at the business, I would have to go through all of that, and that scared me, and I knew I do not want that at any cost. And that is why I put in all of my effort, all of my energy to make sure that I do everything in my power to make this business work. And when you have that mindset, you will make it work. You will do everything that you can to succeed in the business. So that's the mindset. You need to have a strong mindset. And the third thing which leads to failure is when, so in the business, you are your own boss, as I can say. There is no person or no one telling you to, work on it, or do this task, do that task, nothing of that sort. You decide when you work, how you work. That is an amazing thing. A lot of people want that as exactly why you want to start the business, but that can also be a very bad thing for you if you are not disciplined, if you are not organized, if you do not function well when you're not given any deadlines or something. If you are that kind of person, you are going to be just all over the place and not know what to do, when to do. You need to have structure, and if you can, and this is a trait, being organized and everything is a trait which you can learn, which you can, and we do offer support and guidance in that term, that you will get guidance in what to do, how to do it, but only if you are disciplined enough to show up to the training, only if you are disciplined enough to show up for the Zoom meetings that we conduct weekly, the masterminds which we conduct weekly. If you are disciplined enough to show up to all of these things, then you will know what to do, how to do it. But for someone who is not even disciplined enough to do the stuff which is needed to do, you just procrastinate it and you just keep pushing things away. I'll do it later, I'm busy with my kids, my full-time job, all of these things, whatever excuses you give that I will do this. And when you make the business your last priority, that when I get time I'll work on the business, that is when you're going to fail. It's a short way of failing at the business. And if you are also currently, if you are a business owner, this is the trend which you are seeing in yourself, quickly change it. Otherwise, there is no way you're going to see any results over here. When I started, I was busy. There was no time in my life because I had a toddler, and there was so much going on, but the business was the first priority in my head. Like I was like, whatever free time I got, even while I was cooking, when I was doing folding laundry or something, a meeting replay or a mastermind replay would be playing on the laptop with the earplugs in my ears, and I would be learning something, getting something about the business in my head during that time also. And that is what has, despite finding pockets of time to learn the skill, apply it to my business and learn, grow, and that's what has led to my success also. And so these are the various things, and I feel it was important to talk about all of this for you to understand that it's doable, it's simple, but it is not easy. And making money can never be easy, so you need to put in the time, put in the effort, and the results do definitely follow. So I hope this was helpful in anyone who is doubting that all the income claims and the results that you are posting is all not true. Everything is true. All of these people are making money, and they are making money because they have the three the characteristics which I mentioned over here. They do have that. People who fail are the ones who lack in these things. And if you are someone who feel that you lack in one of these things, if you identify that, you can change that, and you can still be successful. So go work on your business and make that money, and make the reason why you want to make the money stronger, so that you can persevere and still work through the challenges to see the results. Bye.